Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm kind of following up on what I reported yesterday, and there's been some confirmation for some of the stuff. The Ukrainian General Staff reported shelling in Kolomyichykha again today, and there's been decent evidence that Ukraine has taken out Piedkouichansk. Now these are still unconfirmed, but my green screen is so janky today. Both of these are still unconfirmed, but they tie up good with events that happened before. Earlier in the week, there were reports that Ukraine attacked both settlements at some point, and in my mind, this is what makes sense. Ukraine did a small attack into Kolomyichykha to fix the Russian troops in a position so they couldn't flank the Ukrainian troops that were going to go attack Piedkouichansk. Then what I think happened there is the Ukrainians successfully took Piedkouichansk, and then they leveraged their momentum to do a bigger assault into Kolomyichykha from Stelmahivka, and one from the back in Piedkouichansk too, and force them to surrender. Because it does line up with the two assaults that were reported on both settlements earlier in the week. It also correlates with the reports that Piedkouichansk was taken, and it also helps prove that Kolomyichykha was taken as well. That's how it happened in my mind. If I was right about that, I'm gonna be excited, but it's still unconfirmed for now. But it's nice to see a little extra confirmation for the stuff that seemed pretty unconfirmed yesterday. Since they've taken Piedkouichansk too, this starts putting Counterattack in a really uncomfortable pocket. Since they control the force to the north of Counterattack and they control Piedkouichansk now, I say this in every single video, but it's looking like Counterattack may be forced to retreat soon. A lot of people think that they're trying to retake Counterattack to gain access to the Svatove ridge, but I think it's actually a bit different. Svatove is very well fortified, and I don't think the Ukrainians are just going to start storming it from positions where they can be flanked. I think what they're actually going to do is use this to leverage their positions up to the Kobilka River, and then they're going to attempt to push into Nizhnyaya Dufanka in the north. I think this makes more sense because if they try to attack Kolomyichykha or something, they'll just get flanked from two sides, and the settlement controls a lot of supply into Svatove from the north, and the other one being going through Starobilsk. But if Ukraine is able to take Nizhnyaya Dufanka, I think they're going to start working outwards, up, and down to try to break further into the Svatove line. And if that is actually what they're doing, I'm just gonna write a letter to Congress and just say yo, I'm the I need you guys to hire me. So yeah, a quick update on Bakhmut. It seems Russia claimed that they took over half of the settlement today, but they definitely didn't. All that really happened was that Ukraine gained a little bit of ground south of Klishchivka, but that's it. And yeah, that's the video we got for today. I am working on another one that's gonna be really long. It's not the video I said I was gonna make. The raw recording is 50 minutes, so I'm really not excited to edit this, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna go get some ice cream and then edit that video. See you guys later. Thank you to my channel members Gene Helfrich, Stig Grun, Butler-esque, David Appel, Dalo Mathatas, Phil Martin, Robert Jenkins, Richard Quadri, Focus Pocus 100, Gaz B, Javette Witter, Evan Shin, Rye Jones, Mr. Walkman, and a special thanks to my third tier members Ashley C137, Joel Raindow, Mike Q, Joe Sauer, PG, JG Bashlow, Maxim Zavrashinsky, and Jane Dungu. See you guys later.